Okay, so this is the little study that I did. It's a little bit dark here this morning because we're still waiting for the power to come on. And then I'm going to do another study right here. Quick one. So use a pencil. This is a F, so it's sort of hard, not too soft. And I'm going to, because we're going to paint a butterfly very soon, but these little practices we're going to do a lot more of. You want to go to there and then to there. Okay, so it doesn't matter if it's not perfect, you can do it every time. So I make a little dot right there for me, just so that I know where I want the center to be. And then I take this side to there, and then I take this side to there. They sort of come together, and then that one to there. Okay, and then I bring this one down to there because it's a wing in the back. So that's the little shape of the body. Then you make a little half circle there, and the other little circle there of the little eyes. I'll try and zoom it in so you can see what I did. And then the little body, and then the next little part comes out and in for the little tail back part, like that. Then you will draw in the antennas, little legs, so just make it like there, but wiggly, not too perfect. And this one, and there. You can't really see where it's coming from. And then the little shape of this little body, the little eyes, they've got quite big eyes. And then let's do the shapes from there. Let's go there, there, and there, and then from that side, there, 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 and there, and then that one to there. And then you can draw in little dots or circles, decorate your little butterfly. And then we want to paint in or draw in those little center little parts coming together to there, and that side, and that side. And then you can just draw in the little shape of that little body and refine it a little bit. This is a very quick and easy little study. Okay, and then a little dot there. You can also make a little dot there. So just decorate it. And some more darker little pencil markings. That's the center. Darken the wings. Color those in. And our little pretty butterfly.